Hi, everyone. Welcome to Mindful Crafts and More. I'm Katrina. If this is your first time checking out my channel, welcome. Take a look at this video or any of my other videos. And if you find yourself inspired, join my channel. For those of you who are returning, welcome back. I really appreciate you just hanging out with me for a bit. So, hi, everyone. Today is going to be a very quick video, and I wanted to just give you guys an update on my Make Scrap Yarn project that I am using as a mystery project for the final project. Now, this is being sponsored by Pricilla at Distinctive Crochet. And before I go into it, I'm actually wearing one of Priscilla's designs. This is the Rachel top. It's an awesome top. She did it as a make along. She has a tutorial for it as well as the pattern. And I love my top. All right. So now, the last video that I did where I talked about my mystery project, I showed you guys the progress that I had achieved up until that point. And I, at that time, said I wanted to get maybe about 20 to 25 yards. Well, since that time, I want to get a little bit more. And so I will show you where I am in this photo. All right, so now let me show you in real time. All right, so I was on the pink. So I finished out my pink, and then I went to fuchsia. I have quite a bit of this, and then I went to this purple. I didn't have a lot of it, okay? And then I went into a lighter purple, if you can see the transition there, okay? Then I went into this lighter purple, and I had quite a bit of this left over, okay? And I'm here at my knitting needle, which I use as a placeholder, okay? So I have quite a bit, and I'm almost ready. So I'm gonna try to add on to this. I think I'm at about maybe 27 yards. So I'm gonna try to get maybe 5 or 6 more yards. I wanna get to about 33, okay? So I'm gonna add that on, and then I think I'll be ready to do my mystery project. I'm so excited, and I do believe I'll meet the deadline. So yes, all right, very excited. All right, so let's take a look at the progress that's being made with the microgreens project. So yes, I am so excited. Now I've taken the tray and moved it over to a well-lit area. And as you see, I'm using the light from my arrow garden right now since I'm not growing anything in there. It doesn't really have to be in direct sunlight, but I put them near those lights for right now, and it won't hurt them at all. The beauty of growing the microgreens in this tray is that you really don't have to do much. You just put the seed quote there, you put the water there, you soak it briefly, and then you just let it go and just observe. And so that is just wonderful because it's really just watching, and it does its thing by itself. That's awesome, right? Okay, guys, so now let's go ahead and take a look at the puzzle solution for yesterday. And this is what I came up with. And here is the puzzle for today. So once again, guys, thank you so much for participating. Thank you for coming along on this VEDA journey with me. I really, really appreciate it. All of you guys who have been watching and giving me a thumbs up and giving me comments and whatnot, and input and inspiration. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So that's all I have for today. I am eagerly moving towards completing my project so that I can submit it for the challenge that Priscilla has come up with. And I hope that it turns out as good as I have envisioned. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. That's all I have for today. Do everything you can to be mindful, to be at your best health, and by all means, guys, be crafty every day. I look forward to seeing you guys again on tomorrow. Bye bye now.